My name is Stephen Mason. I guess you could say I was born to do masonry. By incorporating with Ownr, I could focus on the stuff that I'm good at, doing estimates, dealing with clients, and actually doing the work on the job site. There's 24 hours in a day and they disappear very, very easily. I wasn't sure about registering my business, and with Ownr, it was very quick, it was very efficient, and you can actually see your company's name on that piece of paper. Yeah, that's when things start to become real. Don't try and do something yourself if you can pay someone else to do it. I need to be focused on what's going to grow the business and what's going to add value. That was just another part of that entrepreneur mindset. All the techniques that go into recreating finishes that were done 150 years ago, being able to stand back and look at it, hearing from the client how happy they are with the work, it's a great feeling of pride. Having Ownr take care of all the paperwork allowed me to grow my business and focus on my craft. Try Ownr today.